In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable search engine visibility for your Canva website. To do that, just click on Publish Website at the top bar, and then over here, click on Settings at the bottom, and then turn on Search Engine Visibility. So make sure you're in the Site tab as well before you do that. And then turn this on, and then to save the changes or publish these changes, because if you just exit, this is going to turn back off. So click on Continue to Publish, and then click on Republish, or just publish the website. And then just wait for it to publish. And that's it. So now your website should have search engine visibility turned on, and if you try to search for it, you should be able to find it. But if your website doesn't have good SEO information, then it's gonna be a little hard to find it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.